Right. So I'm assuming that you already know how crucial it is to check patents before making an investment for products that you need to list on Amazon or sell on Amazon. So in this video, I will take you through some basic simple steps that you can use to check patents of the products that are listed on Amazon without your need to hire any attorney or patent advisor. So for this video, let's just take an example of toilet brush. For instance, that we want to invest on this product. So what we need to do is that we need to search for the product on Amazon. And this is before making an investment on this product. So let's just say that we search for this product on Amazon and we manage to find that, let's just say that this design is something that we feel that, it's very good. And we want to sell something like this, or this is somebody who we think that is our main competitor. So we'll open this listing and let's take another example. If we scroll down and search for any other design that kind of looks a bit more unique, this one here is also looking a bit more unique to me, so I'm just going to open it. And it also does have a bestseller seller badge on it, so probably this one is selling good. So these are kind of stuff that we need to look on when we hunt a product. Making a selection of which kind of product that we need to invest on. So I'm assuming that these kind of two products that you feel like this is the product that we want to invest on, or probably a similar design. Now at this point that we are not aware of either this product has a patent on it or not. So what we need to do is that we need to scroll down and we'll click on sold by this particular name, and we'll click on that. Right. Here you will see that you have details of the business who's basically running this product, is basically selling this product on Amazon. We have this. Same for this one. If we scroll down, we check it, like click on sold by the name, we'll see the details of the business who's actually selling this product on Amazon. Right. So we have this information of the business who's basically running it on Amazon. The next step is that we need to go on a website called SpaceNet Advanced Search. Click on the first link. It's going to take you to this interface. And now this is basically an intellectual property website and does have a lot of patents. It has the information of the worldwide patents that are actually registered. So if a patent is registered, it is very likely possible that this particular website does carry the information of that particular inventor or the applicant, right? So before coming to this website, we basically went through this step and we know the name of the business who's basically selling this kind of design. So this is the business name. We'll copy the business name. We'll go to SpaceNet, and there are a number of entries that we can insert in. But the simplest way that I'm going to take you is basically this way. So we can mention here the applicant name as the business holder name. So you can see that enter the name of one or more persons or the organization. So we don't know the name of the inventor, but we actually know at the moment the name of the company. So we can simply type in the name of the company. Now we can basically go on and basically refine this search as well by mentioning name of the product. Let's just say that it's a toilet brush. So we can actually mention it here as well, like toilet brush. But I don't want to include it here because nevertheless I want to check that this particular business hold how much patents. Probably this company have multiple designs registered in its name. So I need to make sure that I check every other design patent that this particular product have, or any other patent that this particular product carries. So I'll simply type in the name of the business here. I'll go down and click search here. Now it's going to basically take me to this phase, and you can see that this particular business name has kind of like one, two, three, four patents, and they are probably different than what we might be looking for. So we can't locate any other patent. Probably this one here, holder, could be the one. So what we can do is that we can open it up, um, and from this bar you can click original document, and it will take you to the document of the patent. You can basically search different section of the patent original document, but we need basically to see the drawing, if it does match with our product. So as you can see that this product actually does not match with it, and also all the other names are quite different than what we were looking for. So from this, what we concluded is that if we go back, or probably here, we can see that this design does not have any patent, or this company does not have any patent, a registered patent. So now we do have information that this company, the company who is selling this product, does not have any patent related to this product. So we can make decision that we can invest in this kind of design. Now, one more thing that I would like to mention here is basically looking for the marketplace as well. And you can see that here's it's US mentioned here. It might be possible that you will find different country here. So, for instance, let's just say that this design exactly matches with our product that we want to sell, and the country is different in which the patent that particular inventor or the applicant holds. So we can also launch that product. We can invest in US marketplace, for instance, if patent is in Canada. So in this case, like it, none of those actually matches. So we can make decision upon that. Now we can go ahead and look for the other one as well. This is the name of the business. We'll copy it again. We'll go back again to this advanced search from the SpaceNet, and we'll simply mention the name of the applicant here. Now you can basically refine this search as well. This priority number is basically, we can refine it in terms of the country. So if we mention it US, it's going to show us all the patents that are in US. If we mention it GB, it's going to show us all the patents that are in UK. But I keep it unchecked because an applicant does not have much patents that you can look without any difficulty. It might be like 4 to 5 patents. So you can simply keep the name of the company, and so we might have done a little bit of a mistake. We'll go back again. We'll mention the name of the applicant, and we'll search it again. All right, so you can see that there are multiple patents, especially related to toilet brush. So uh, we need to check it out. But thing is that this one, you can see, is it's not US marketplace. So if you're launching in US and you find that this particular um, design has a patent in any other country, this product is also eligible for you to invest in. If I can check the drawings, um, it could slightly match or probably a bit different. But again, you see that since it's in another country, not in US, so that design that we checked is also eligible for us to invest. All right, so I hope it is a good learning experience. So I hope this video I hope that this video is going to help you make this very important decision of investment. And if you learned something, please subscribe and hit the like button.